This is day 4 of the HIP. On the day 3, they already did the waterproofing, which on the paper is stated as tempering to the wall and pipe in bathroom and toilet, and also the apply non-string grout to the toilet floor and upturn to the wall, which is what you see here. So today, day 4, they actually are applying 2 coats of waterproof membrane to the bathroom. So one of the workers came by this morning already, and he already applied the first round of waterproofing. And then I assume later on they will have the second round. And seems like that's it for today. Tomorrow we will be having the test, so we will see how it goes. This is the end of day 4 after 2 waterproofing membrane and one application of non-string grout to the floor. So it looks like this. This is the morning of HIP day 5, how the toilet looks like. Waterproofing test is done. They also use the water to rinse the walls a bit, so you can see it looks better. Next, we are waiting for them to come up with the screed